Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics during the Renaissance period. We will explore how this era transformed mathematical thought. During the 14th to 16th centuries, mathematics evolved from an abstract philosophical pursuit into a vital, universal language driving progress in commerce, art, and exploration. The Renaissance sparked a paradigm shift characterized by a return to classical Greek sources and the merging of disciplines, where artists and scientists became one. As trade expanded, so did the need for precise accounting. This led to the establishment of, quote, reckoning schools that brought mathematics out of monasteries and into the economic world. Friar Luca Pacioli, a collaborator of Leonardo da Vinci, became known as the father of accounting, publishing a seminal work to educate merchants. Pacioli's Summa de Arithmetica introduced double-entry bookkeeping, standardized algebraic notation, and plus and minus symbols, foundational elements of modern mathematics. Artists of the Renaissance utilized mathematics as the, quote, brush of reality, employing precise geometric perspective to achieve hyperrealism in their work. Pacioli also explored the divine proportion, or the golden ratio, viewing this mathematical constant as a reflection of structural perfection in nature. Albrecht Dürer famously integrated an order 4 magic square into his engraving Melancholia I, honoring the profound respect for mathematics during this time. Dürer's magic square was more than a puzzle. It demonstrated complex supersymmetries that added up perfectly, showcasing advanced mathematical insight. The Renaissance period saw the stabilization of basic operators, including the symbols for plus, minus, equals, multiplication, and division that we use today. Further standardization occurred with advanced notation, introducing essential symbols for exponents, roots, fractions, and decimals. Simon Stevin championed the, quote, decimal revolution, arguing for a unified theory where all types of numbers are treated with equal legitimacy. Global exploration necessitated new spatial mathematics, leading to the birth of trigonometry and the development of sine and cosine tables for navigation. Finally, universities like Bologna transformed mathematics into a competitive spectator sport, fueling breakthroughs such as finding general solutions for cubic equations. Meet Niccolò Fontana Tartaglia. A self-taught genius from humble origins, he overcame a severe speech impediment caused by war to become one of history's most brilliant mathematicians. In 1535, Tartaglia shocked the academic world by cracking the code to solving cubic equations. He guarded this secret formula intensely, viewing it as his ultimate competitive advantage. However, his secret was leaked. Mathematician Girolamo Cardano convinced Tartaglia to share the formula under an oath of secrecy, only to publish it himself in his famous book, Ars Magna. The breakthrough didn't stop there. Lodovico Ferrari later solved quartic equations, while Raphael Bombelli eventually unlocked the mystery of imaginary quantities, paving the way for complex numbers. These innovations, Hindu-Arabic numerals, standardized notation, and the new algebra, formed the foundational toolkit that powered the scientific revolution of the 17th century. From the reckoning schools to the algebra wars, the Renaissance forever changed how we calculate, measure, and understand the world around us.